We continue our short videos about using Longman Dictionary online, and today's topic is meanings of the words. Basically, that's why people, even native speakers, use dictionaries to look up a meaning of the word. So we're going to use the word of the day, hesitate, and you can see that this word has only two meanings, because in Longman it's pretty easy to see visually how many meanings a word has, because they are numbered, so two meanings. And also what I like about Longman is that the explanations, the definitions are very clear and understandable, even for lower level learners. So the first meaning of the word hesitate is to pause before saying or doing something because you're nervous or not sure. So imagine a situation, you want to say something but you're not sure, you are nervous, that's why you stop talking, you pause. So the example would be,
Kay hesitated for a moment and then said yes.
What I also like about Longman Dictionary is that you can easily see what collocations this word is used in. Collocations are stable phrases, like combination of words that you can often see. So in this case we have hesitate about or hesitate over. You can see that because the words are given in bold, жирным шрифтом. If you see something like that, that means it's a collocation, a frequently used combination of words. So hesitate about or hesitate over. And the example is?
He was still hesitating over whether to leave or not.
So examples are very sort of handy because they give you an idea what tenses this word can be used in and how it relates to other words. So from the first sentence you could see that it's used in past simple, so it's okay to use in the past with the ending ed, it's a regular word. In the second example it's used in the continuous, in past continuous, and it's also used in the progressive tense, in the continuous tense, because not all verbs can be used like that. So that was the first meaning of the word. The second meaning of the word is closely related to a phrase. Don't hesitate to do something. And you need to click the phrase to check the meaning of the word. Don't hesitate to do something. It's used to tell someone that it's correct or right for them to do something and they do not have to worry about offending someone. It's often used in business English, especially in emails. At least I've seen it a lot of times in emails. Something like, don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to call me. Don't hesitate to let me know if you want to know something. So basically, you use the whole phrase like that, don't hesitate to, and then instead of do, you use the word that you need. Most words in English have a lot of meanings, and the more frequent the word is, usually the more meanings it would have. For example, the word road has 8 meanings. See, that all of you probably know. It's one of the most frequent words, 3 dots, 1000 spoken, 1000 written. So how many meanings do you think it has? My guess would be it has more than 10 meanings. So let's see. You see 45 different meanings of the words. But unless it's the word of the day that you're checking, usually you start with the context and then you look up the word that you don't understand in context. And let's say that the sentence that you are not sure about is, now I see what you mean. So here the word see is the one we want to check. So the first meaning is note, is related to notice, examine, notice again, ability to see, find out information, in the future, no, not really, where the information is, not really, and then we have what we need, understand something, to understand or realize something. And even the collocation here is exactly what we were looking for. See why, see what, see how. Понять что, понять почему, понять как, etc. We see what you mean. Теперь я понимаю, что ты имеешь в виду. So, this is the meaning that we were looking for. Don't just stop at the top. Scroll to the meaning that you need.